Hello there, this is our first trip in the car here. We're going to Burger King. I lost my lighter. Son of a bitch. Anyway, here we are. Thank you, my dear.
Like me one.
Okay. You're welcome. Turn on Magic 1490.
Put your ashes out the window. Okay? Okay, am I in the right lane to go straight, Joe?
Yes. Do you want to go straight or you want to turn?
I want to go straight.
Okay. Yeah, just stay in this lane.
Hey. I'll go up to South 25th then turn.
Yeah, just don't turn on that one street.
No kidding.
Alright. Turn the next street down from that one.
I'll just go to that stop sign. I know, safe. Come on, right turn.
Sorry about the wait, folks. Sometimes these lights don't know when to turn. Don't want to turn here.
I'm not turning there, I'm going down that stop sign. By the church.
Whoop. Stop sign. Okay, we're gonna turn here.
Watch out, Joe, don't screw my mirror.
Okay.
Nobody's living in that house.
Damn, I want it.
Well, that other house.
I'll take that one too. I'll take them both. There's a piece of that right there. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry. Bad humor. Luckily, I didn't catch it on video. Yeah, I'm an asshole. There's a fucking real asshole right there.
Joe,
Get a damn ass whoop.
we're going to Burger King. Shut up.
You're right.
Man, look at those tires on that pickup.
Cool. You see that, folks? Pretty cool, ain't it? You almost make cool kicking that fucker's ass, man.
No, I don't want to hear it.
What?
They're honking at that guy walking by.
Yeah, he's got a right to walk across the street.
Not in the middle of the street, though.
Well, that's called jaywalking. If I was a cop, I'd stop him right now. If I needed some extra quotas. Nevertheless, here we go, folks.
Okay, Burger King's up here somewhere.
We're going to BB King tonight, baby.
Okay.
There it is, right there. Burger King, baby.
Okay, we're going in. I'm not ordering. I got a card.
We'll see you later, folks. Stay tuned. More to come.